My name is Joe Guerrera, and I know fish. And today, we're gonna deal with Nantucket Bay Scallops. Just a quick saute, just a little olive oil. Want it to heat up a little bit. The reason why you want hot oil, this way it sears them instantly. And these don't take a long time to cook. This is like 90 seconds at the most. When you're cooking something like this, that timing is very crucial. Whatever you do, please don't answer your cell phone. There we go. The reason why I'm shaking the pan is this way they don't stick. And don't forget, the longer you cook them, the more they're gonna shrink. So you don't wanna cook them too long. When the scallops turn golden, that's when you know they're done. These things are so good and so sweet, you could eat them raw. And I do all the time. These are like candy. I'm gonna put a little sea salt now. Timing is everything.